That looks so awesome.
Can I go to the driveway?
There's a creek right there, honey. Pull over and then just... This is pretty cool. Wait. I want to look at this. Oh, wow. That is too cool. Look at that. Well, they're not hurting for any water. Private road, no state park access. Thank you. Well, thank you, but I just want to take a picture of this big old mountain above your head. Wow, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Wow. If I say it's cool, it's because it is. It's cool outside too. But look at that. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful here. Oh, I would love to live in something like this, right by the water. That is so neat. Wow. I guess they put little flowers in these little planters up here on this bridge. This is so awesome. That is so awesome. Let me open that up a teeny bit. Just how close that water is to these little houses right here along this river. Wow. Really nice. That was just a pit stop. I had to stop and look. Up the road a little further.
That's neat.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
Let's go look down the road and see what this little town looks like. Larry said this is the town of El Dorado. That's a private road. No trespassing, so we won't go that way. Ah, look at this. Really nice. Whew. Okay, we better leave. This is all private property. We don't want to walk in on somebody's private property. All right, let's go now. For real this time. I happened to look inside this little area, and it happens to be some kind of an art center. Look at all of that. I wonder what happens if they get so much water, if it climbs up into their houses and stuff. Look at how that is close. Look at that right there, and that's their back porch right there. Wow. I wonder if that water is does it ever flood, you know? trespassing everywhere. Different. We have to pull over all the time, let people go by. We didn't want to miss anything, so we just kept pulling over for everyone. Though there wasn't very many people driving by, but just in case. It says slow down. Private property, permit parking only. These mountains are closer than what they look on these videos. I mean, real close. Oh, schoolie. Yeah. We should be close to the park, but we're going so slow looking at this river. It's mesmerizing. Oh my gosh, these mountains are so pretty. I don't even think these videos show how pretty everything is. Huh.
You're gonna go right by it, right in front of it.
The entrance to, I'm thinking, this is El Dorado. Artesian Springs. I think that's what that says. Yep. Wow. Let's go, let's go. Can't hold everybody up. Is this where Myra was talking about? Huh? Oh, the dam. Oh, look at the dam. El Dorado Canyon State Park. Huh? Oh, okay.
How you doing?
Does it have to be cash?
Do you take card or does it have to be cash?
We do card or cash.
Okay.
It's only except American Express.
Okay.
Except okay, that was funny.
A whole lot of people hate American Express.
What is up with American Express? Look at this. Woo-wee. We're right here underneath all these mountains that are humongous. And if you wanted to look at this and read it, Colorado Park pass required every day of the year. So you can read that. And then here we go, El Dorado Canyon State Park. These mountains are just huge. This is so awesome. And look out for the bears. All right. He's gonna try to park, make it look legit. Ah, he's gonna run me over. Ah, oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh, Lord have mercy. Look at this. Wow, everything's so beautiful out here. Look at that wall. Anybody want to try to scale that wall? Wow. Wow. Waterfall. So pretty. Holy Toledo. Oh, look at that. I haven't seen anything like this since I was young. I had to look at this again. Look at all that water. Can't kayak down this creek or river or whatever you want to call it. It's wild. Come on, Joey. Come on, look. Ah, this way, come on. Look at the Wawa. Look at the Wawa. You gotta go pee-pee? Again. Yeah, it is. You like that Wawa? Huh? You like that Wawa? Huh? Yep. All right, let's go up a little further. I bet you that's a bear cave. Oh, that car scared me. Hello. Oh my gosh. I hope you can hear me. Look at all that water. I bet you that's a bear cave. Has to be. Look how big it is. Water coming down. Snow melt. Has to be snow melt. Oh my gosh. My face is cold. It's cold outside. Aren't you cold?
Nope.
Oh my gosh. We have to look at some more out there. Let's see. Wow. You could see all the rocks that are falling out of the mountains, rolling down. Whoa! Oh, this is steep. Oh my gosh. Fire ban. Oh, we're crawling over the water right there. We don't need to go. Ooh. Nice. So pretty. What do you think, honey?
Yep.
We got to go to another one. This is cool. Oh, my favorite word. Cool. Huh?
I was reading the sign.
Let's go see. Let's go see the water. This is really close. Wow. Hi. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Snow melt. That's what it looks like. 'Cause I bet you that water is as cold as I don't know what. Those people leave. Look how pretty that is. Joey, you want to go swimming? You want to go Wawa? Huh? That's cold, Wawa. Look. Look. He's like, you want to take a bath? You want to take a bath? No? Okay, no. He said no. Oh, there's people coming out of the woodwork. So pretty. All right. Let's move on down the road. Are you leaving your Are you leaving your bodily fluids everywhere, Joey? Come on, baby. Happy, come on.